Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I think I've got something kind of weird to share with you guys. This package, before it was shipped to me, it came with a very interesting DM on Instagram. There's a task that needs to be completed, apparently, that is on the inside of this package. Now, I don't know what this is yet. It was a very cryptic message. But if it wasn't from who, I know it's from, like, if somebody, like, randomly sent me this, I'd be like, well, okay, I'm definitely not going to open that. But because of who sent it, I am going to open it, and I'm not afraid of what's inside. It's just very, very mysterious. So, thanks so much to the retailer who sent this. Thanks so much to my patrons. And please, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So, at this, they told me the date that they were doing, releasing the other thing that's in here. And so I have strategically uploaded this video, as I try to do, not always, I try to do sometimes, so that you guys can check out what it is. So it'll be linked in the description. Okay, they actually meant puzzle. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. It's actually a puzzle. So, I guess I'm gonna sit down and do this. Alright, so obviously there was something else in the box, and at this point I think I know what it is. Let's go ahead and get in here. Oh, this is already open. It was already open. I didn't look. I swear. I legitimately thought it was still taped off. So, hold on. I remember seeing this picture a long time ago, and a whole bunch of people saying, oh my gosh, you definitely have to make that. So there's an obvious question here, and I think by opening it, we will have the answer. So maybe we should just go ahead and do that. It actually has a blade. You gotta be kidding me, man. What? We got a hot dog knife. We got a hot dog and mustard knife. This is so weird. Safest, potentially the safest switchblade on the planet. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well. Oh, they did. So I'm glad they chose D2 for the Wiener knife. I wonder what the hardness on this Wiener is. The funniest thing here is that they really could have just left it as an unsharpened blade. They could have just left it as a piece of metal, and that would have been funny, right? But they actually put an edge on it. And so here's a new fact. This is the truth. Number one, this will get bought, right? Number two, there are other knives in this series that I'm guessing they plan to make. The hot dog one is the first one, but I'm guessing they plan to make the other ones. I don't know. Number three, and this is the funniest fact about this, the fact that it is a Boker Kalashnikov and is presumably made with the same quality that the other Kalashnikovs are made, it's able to be used. And because it is, people will actually use it. That means that it might not be me that carries this knife around in my pocket and uses it, but somebody will. Can you imagine? The funniest thing ever is that eventually someone's going to say, hey man, hey, you got a knife on you? I need to cut. And that's going to be the best opportunity. Oh yeah, no problem. And then with a completely emotionless facial expression, you hand them this. And out pops the Wiener. And then they'll actually be able to come with it. That's great. That's a reality that Blade HQ has put into place, for sure. Oh man, I mean, why not at this point? Why not? Right? Who can be mad at this? Who is upset about this? You are banished. You can't. You're not allowed to be. This is funny. This is peak Knife World humor. For forever, I think pocket knives have always been like at times closer than other times. Pocket knives have, intentionally and unintentionally, inched near the edge of the intentional phallic shape, right? There's, in fact, I think that obviously many times has been absolutely intentional, right? But this just, it inches closer in its own unique way. I mean, like, I don't know. I obviously don't know. I'm having trouble like coming up with things to say about this, but it's just funny. I am going to keep this. It's very important to me that this remains in my collection. This is now a serious artifact that will stay with me forever. And if Blade HQ decides to, create the rest of the ensemble, I will seek them out. I will hunt them down, much like Thanos did with the Infinity Stones. Can you imagine how powerful I'll be when I have acquired all of the Kalashnikovs? All of them? I don't know that the world's ready for that. Okay, well, this was weird. Thanks, Blade HQ. I'm sure that this will be very, very popular. Let me know what you think down in the description. Please. Obviously, I'll link this. Boker Kalashnikovs in general. The base knife is very good. It's one of the best starting automatic knives ever, right? And there's obviously a bunch of weird stuff too, if you're interested in that. So check out this knife down in the description. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.